What's good, Yantaa Gang? And as you see from the caption, I got a little unboxing review on the purchase of my Balenciaga speeds, and hopefully y'all enjoy this video. And I'm gonna give y'all the little backstory on this, but before I do that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button so you get notification every time that I post a video, and that's on period. So the backstory about these shoes is because, well, soon I will be dropping a story time fully of why everything occurred, but I have found out that a current pair of Balenciagas I can't have no more, so I bought new ones. So today I made this purchase, baby. I paid like 800 and something, at least under $900. I will definitely put the pricing on the screen. Now let's jump into this unboxing haul, and that's on period. So as for this, today will be in my review, and before we get started, the store is really nice and beautiful. I couldn't vlog, but I'll definitely put like a little I didn't record no videos inside. I ain't capping. I was busy looking around to record. But yeah, I had bought, it came in a bag, right? So they gave me the bag. Here's the box. Sorry, my arms kind of hurt, guys. I kind of just finished working out, so yeah. But yeah, here's the box. Okay. Each box comes with a dust bag, the bagging, the papering. So this is, alright. So this is the little dust bag. This dust bag look real, you know. So, right, the dust bag. We're gonna get to the review of the shoe. Before I do, we're gonna say the price. I think this is my, yes, it comes with a receipt, and this is my receipt. So we're gonna say how much it costs. I paid the total of $865, and the original price is $795. That's the original price, but at the taxes and where I'm from New York City, I had to pay $856. That's a lot of money for me, but I feel like it's only right that I had to go and get my shoe. So now for the preview of the shoe. I'm not gonna cap, I've been wanting this shoe when it first came out, when Balenciagas was first a trend. Everybody had Balenciagas with the socks. That was the thing. Like, if you had the Balenciagas that looked like socks, you was popping. Like, it was a trend when I was, I think, like 16, 15, 17, around that age. But it was definitely a trend. And when Cardi B made that song, like, I'm gonna Balenciaga, the ones that look like socks, I'm gonna yeah, but you know what I mean. So I had to get them, and I got the originals. I didn't even get the new versions of it, because the new versions wasn't that cute to me for some odd reason, but it's not. So I got the classics, baby, because I'm a classic bougie bitch, period. So ta-da, and these are it. Do y'all see my babies? I know they're so cute. One thing I can say, they do feel like socks. I tried them on at the store and I love this. Perfect, you know, it's simple. Got the Balenciaga. It got the red, you know, it says Balenciaga on the back, but you can't really see it because it's in the white. But you know, they got it on the side, and it's also in the inside. You cannot see, but it's in there. To be honest, and then the under. To be honest, they're real comfortable. I didn't walk in them, but I did like put my feet in. No, I did walk in them. I walked for like 1 second. Baby, that's still enough. It feels so good. It feels like socks. I know these are kind of big. I had got a 42 in men. I am a size 9 in men. I know I have really big feet, but okay. And look, I drop bags in my shoes, so does it even matter? Period. So yeah, I got these and they feel good. I'll definitely come back soon and probably give you a review about how it feels to be in them, walk in them, you know, see how it really feels. Because I heard from all the reviews on YouTube that these are the most comfortable Balenciaga shoes that they ever made. Because, you know, it's like a sock and you get to walk and it feels, I heard it feels like you're walking on clouds. So hopefully that is true, because I do got the Yeezys and I heard these like on a cloud too. So and they was perfectly right about that, because they are so comfortable. I didn't do a haul for those, but I got them. But yeah, these are the shoes, you know, simple but cute, you know. To be honest, I was just gonna get the black and white ones, and this would have been black, but I feel like why not just get classic and get the original, the first ones. So I got them, and that's on period. And I definitely will come back soon, like I said in the middle of this video. Basically, I will give you a full story time about why I had to get my shoes and what had occurred and why I can't wear my old Balenciagas no more. And the ones I supposedly had was supposed to be the Balenciaga tracks, triple black. And but yeah, you're probably wondering why I didn't get those again, because to be honest, because of the situation, he's so upset to the point where I didn't want the shoe no more. So I got a whole new different Balenciaga shoe, period, I'm gonna love way more better. So as for that, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button so you can get a notification every time that I post a video. And if you're not part of Yantaa Gang, then welcome, because we're the best game on YouTube, and that's on period. And as for that, make sure you follow my social medias and make sure you follow my IG so we get to 4K, because baby, I'm trying to get my followers up and help me out, help a girl out, and that's on period. And as for that, enjoy your day, and we'll be back with another video soon, guys.